Here's your Storm Track 5 weather forecast. Now, meteorologist Ricky Matthews.
Nice mild day yesterday will be capped off by one more on this Sunday as well. We're starting off today rather nice as well from our base mountain camera in Kingsport. You see a fantastic sunrise, and that's more of what we'll see this afternoon. Let's head down the road a little bit, show you what is happening right now temperature-wise in Kingsport. And now let's jump down the road a little bit to downtown Bristol. You see the sun rising there from our Tri-Summit Bank camera in downtown. A fantastic morning, 54 in the Tri-Cities, Elizabethton, 68 degrees in Greenville. I've got a feeling that sensor may not be working very well this morning because the icon's missing for the weather conditions. So we'll ignore that 68, but it is 57 in Abingdon, 61 in Wise, and around 59 in Marion this morning. Temperatures otherwise, 68's an area there in Greenville, 50 in Jonesville, 49 in Clintwood, 62 in Wytheville, Richlands, 59 in Marion, and around 63 degrees in Grundy this morning. As we go through today, we'll be tracking a few things. So first, the temperatures. We'll be watching those rise throughout the day, probably to record highs. Once again, a record high for today, 73 degrees. That's around where we will be this afternoon. Now, the rain's also going to return when we get in our extended forecast. We go late into tonight and into tomorrow, we'll see some chances for rain. And then winter is finally here, but we're going to have to wait a few days before it gets here. We're going to see cooler weather at the end of the week. We'll talk about that in my 7-day in just a minute. Now, our severe threat tracker in the low alert level for today, but raising it into the medium level for Monday because we'll see some showers and also some gusty winds throughout the day, too, in our typical wind-prone locations. No rain across our region this morning. Lots of rainfall to the west, though. You notice the frontal system out there producing lots of showers and thunderstorms, even some flooding across portions of the central United States. All of this being aided by some moist flow from the south. You can really see where the front is right here in this temperature map, right across portions near the Kentucky and Illinois border, stretching across portions of Arkansas and down into Texas as well, where they're expecting more additional severe weather today. So we'll watch all that frontal system start to approach us as we go through today, giving us a shot for some additional showers as we go late into tonight and into tomorrow. So notice here on Future Track, we'll time it out, 11 a.m. tomorrow. You notice there's some shower activity across the region, but it really doesn't get very heavy until we go into the overnight hours. That's when the front will clear our region, giving us a chance for a few scattered showers. Then I think as we go into the day on Tuesday, nicer weather returns. A closer look at this afternoon, some scattered clouds around, but we go into the evening hours, wouldn't be shocked to see an isolated shower pop up across portions of southeast Kentucky and parts of West Virginia. Otherwise, pretty nice conditions. Temperatures tomorrow staying nice and mild in the 60s, but some shower activity moving in later in the afternoon and into the evening hours. And then nicer weather returns as we go into Tuesday. One thing we have to mention, though, is the gusty winds. Monday afternoon, the winds will be gusty in some of our typical wind-prone locations like Camp Creek and Irwin, Lebanon, as well as seeing some gusty winds as we go into Monday afternoon. So your forecast today, partly cloudy, mild, a late evening shower, not out of the question. Temperatures this afternoon, generally in the lower 70s, 69 in Grundy, 67 in Norton, 54 tonight in Norton, and around 56 in portions of Grundy. As we head into your 7-day forecast, temperatures staying nice and mild for the first 2 days, and then we're looking ahead to Tuesday, and then after that, temperatures though around 54 for Wednesday, some lower 50s as we head into the day on Thursday. Look at the first day of January, 45 degrees. We're going to start off the year on a very, very, very nice note.
Very nice snow, and I will say it's been kind of nice not having to warm my car up in the morning, but I think it's about time we all
That's true. I was thinking about, I had a lot of dew on my car this morning instead of the frost. It's very nice.
I know. Just open the windshield wipers and you're
That's
good to
all you gotta do.
All right. Thanks, Ricky.